This is a knitting machine color changer stand, and it's for 4 colors. I designed and 3D printed a base, and that just gets clamped onto the table. I used an aluminium rod that you can get from a normal hardware store. In the middle section, I've created a joiner so that I can join 2 aluminium rods together. Coming up to the top, I've actually created very similar to the original, and this is going to be holding the mast, the tensioner. I have bolts underneath, and the bolt itself goes through a hole to be able to hold this tensioner in place. I've had to design just extra supports so that the tensioner does not swivel around on the bolt. And I do drill through the aluminium rod and put these pins through so they also don't swivel on the aluminium rod. So that is the mast tensioner holder.